Rose and Frank Co. vs. Crompton and Brother Limited case. Welcome to our legal analysis series, where we delve into pivotal cases to understand their legal significance. Today, we explore Rose and Frank Co. vs. Crompton and Brother Limited, a case that significantly impacted the interpretation of contracts. Hello, and welcome back to Legal Insights. I'm Steve, your guide through today's legal journey. Rose and Frank Co. vs. Crompton and Brother Limited raises intriguing questions about the interpretation of agreements and their enforceability. Let's dissect this case using the IRAC method: issue, rule, application, and conclusion. The central issue in Rose and Frank Co. vs. Crompton and Brother Limited revolves around whether an agreement containing a honorable pledge clause is legally binding. Now, let's examine the rule. According to contract law principles, an agreement must meet certain criteria to be legally enforceable. This includes the intention of the parties to create legal relations and certainty of terms. Moving forward, let's apply these legal principles to the case. In Rose and Frank Co. vs. Crompton and Brother Limited, the agreement between the parties contained an honorable pledge clause, which stated that it was not intended to create legal relations. However, the parties had conducted themselves as though the agreement were binding. The crucial question arises: was the honorable pledge clause effective in negating the legal enforceability of the agreement? Let's delve into the application of legal principles to the case. In its decision, the court emphasized the importance of considering the intention of the parties. Despite the presence of the honorable pledge clause, the conduct of the parties indicated an intention to create legal relations. Therefore, the agreement was deemed legally binding. And there you have it, a concise analysis of Rose and Frank Co. vs. Crompton and Brother Limited using the IRAC method. Thank you for joining us today.